Hey guys, are you looking to find a way to extend your Cat5 cables? We have the answer for you.
Technically, Cat5 cable, you can run up to 100 meters, right?
Hey guys, are you looking to find a way to extend your Cat5 cables? We have the answer for you. My name is Bruno with Tycon Computers and another episode here of Tycon Tuesday with Mr. Seth Allen. How's it going, Seth?
I'm great. How are you doing, Bruno?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Good.
Got a few customer of ours asking, how do we make my cables run for longer? I don't have enough distance in the Cat5 cable. What do we do? How does it work? I hear Tycon has the answer. So what do you guys got?
Yeah, we have a couple solutions for you. So technically, Cat5 cable, you can run up to 100 meters, right? So about 330 feet. After that, you're just not going to have enough power to get to your device. So we have a couple devices to help with those similar situations. Maybe you need to just double or triple extend that, right? So first option is we have a 3-port switch. It's the TP-SW3G. What that does is it'll take 48 volt input, so an 802.3 AT compliant device or PoE into the 3-port switch, and then you can run another 100 meters from 2 separate ports. So let's say you want to power 2 devices that are both 802.3 AT. You can do that, run 100 meters, plug into the switch. Then from there, you have another 100 meters that you can go on both ports, powering 2 cameras or an access point and a camera, something that requires that 802.3 AT. It'll accept the AF, AT, or the AT with 4 pair of power. It is an indoor rated device. I mean, it has an extended temperature range, but it does need to be inside some sort of waterproof enclosure. So it handles about negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit up to about 140 degrees. So wide temperature range, but does need to be housed inside an enclosure. Then we have a second device. We have our PoE-EXT-GD-HP. This is an outdoor rated device. This will run 100 meters connected. It's basically an inline connector, IP66 rated, no external power supply needed for either of these devices. And then you can run another 100 meters. And you can daisy chain a couple of these together to go about 300 meters of Cat5 cable run. So this is a great way to extend your network, extend your Cat5 cable without having to have another power source nearby.
Awesome. So I have those guys here. So this is the TPSW 3G, right?
Correct.
So
Yep.
it looks like a little 3-port switch. But I have seen some of these a long time ago in the market, but they would always require a power supply. I guess what you guys are doing here, that's a lot different, is that power to boost the signal, keep it going. You're using the PoE, right?
Exactly.
And
Yep.
beyond that, if I'm reading this correct, so you're actually taking in PoE and it's giving out PoE. So you're actually not just extending the data, you're extending the PoE of it as well.
The power as well. Yep, that's correct.
Okay. Got it. So this one is a 1 and then 2 out, right?
Correct.
So that's the guy there, looks like a little switch. And then the extender, the other one, looks like this. This is the PoE EXT-GD-HP. Very cool little device because I mean it just has these little twist-ons here that I guess the cable goes through there, twist off this big one, and there's your Cat6 connector. So cable goes in here. This makes it watertight, and you just keep on going.
Absolutely.
So you said you can use a few of these, like you can use more than one when you're going a long distance?
Correct. Yeah, you can put 2 of those in line and go about 300 meters total without having that external power supply.
Of these guys?
Of both.
Of both of these guys. So you can you can extend it up to 2 times, essentially.
Correct. Yep.
Now, if I use this guy and I need to, do an outdoor application, can I then use this guy, or do I have to kind of keep using the same ones?
No, it's taken in 802.3 AT power, right? So it as long as the devices are compliant, then you can mix and match. That doesn't matter.
Awesome. Okay. So again, we're extending. So it's each cable run is 100 meters. So we can basically do a 300-meter cable run if we use 2 of these guys maximum.
Yes, sir.
Right. Very cool. So definitely good for any kind of applications, or maybe you have a camera that's really far away, or maybe even an access point that you need to, light up that's a little bit further away from your switches and your core network. This is the kind of solution that people might need. So awesome, awesome. Well, very interesting. Always learning something here. So appreciate the time, Seth. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one.
Thanks, Bruno.
See ya. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get the latest from Flytech. Thanks.